them zoes about. We gon' keep it active, we gon' do a lot of running miles. Real cute bitch, nasty ass attitude. You ain't getting money, why the fuck you think I'm stunning?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's your girl Sherry, and I'm back with another video. So Rihanna Fenty, she came out with a tinted moisturizer called Eaze Drop. Yes, I cannot wait to try this. I've been wanting to do a no makeup look, something quick to put on, you know, blur my imperfections. It comes in 25 shades. Definitely if you are a person that use tinted moisturizer, this will be for you. I am on the oily side, so you know, this might just be for me for a 2-hour wear. Definitely not for anything longer. I'm not gonna test that out because I already know you oily girls know we like that matte look. So I'm definitely gonna try to mattify it down a little bit. This is how it comes in this bottle. This is the shade. This is the shade in 20. I have a shade twin on YouTube, so I watched her video and she applied it on and it looked perfect. I have another shade of Fenty, the powder, and she's the same shade, so I'm like, that's it, that's my shade, let me go get it. All right, so I'm going to put a primer on. The Fenty foundation this tinted moisturizer do not have SPF in it, so I'm going to go in with my Smooth and Poreless Super Goop primer. Has SPF 40. This, I really do love it. Oh my gosh, don't mind the makeup because I've been using it. So now that I got the primer on, let's go in. She does say quick and easy, you know, for the moms too that want something quick and easy running out the house too, you know, or the busy woman on the run. Put this in your purse. I don't want to put it on my, let's do it just like a quick swab. Okay. That's the, oh, hold up, wait a minute. Rihanna did it again. Hold up, wait a minute. Rihanna did it. Rihanna, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm about to put this with a wow. Hold on. This is not sponsored. I'm telling you, this is not sponsored. Okay, I am not on her PR list soon, but oh my god, yes, y'all, get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply just one side so y'all can see the difference. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. This is the side foundation, and this is my regular skin. Yes, I've been working on fixing this blemish. I'm gonna get to it, but like I said, tinted moisturizer, just like skin, so blemishes here and there, but it's still smooth, blur. I'm gonna put it on the other side. As you can tell, you got that healthy glow. That's it. We drinking our water. We glowing outside. Okay, we outside this summer. All right, no drama for your mama. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold up. And there you have it. Boom. Glow. Soft, smooth, blurring. I like it. I wanted to do a whole like cream type of tutorial. I did pick up Rose Latte Cheeks Out Cream Blush by Fenty. You know what? I'm gonna use my finger. Just a little bit of blush. You just like I woke up like this. Fenty beat. I didn't put any powder on. I'm gonna set it because I need to set it with my Pro Filter 410 by Riri, of course. Of course. So now that my hands are dirty, I'm going to apply, you know, we just go into the store, we don't want to do too much. Apply a little lip balm. So here it is. I'm gonna pop on this lip gloss by Fenty. It is the Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Keep it cute, keep it light. It's a light pink. I'm gonna pop that on my lip. So beautiful, y'all. Oh my gosh. And that's it. I'm out. Very flawless, very simple, quick and easy. I did a little bit of concealer underneath my eye, cream blush, did my brows, which wasn't even all that much, and put my gloss on, put a little highlight, and we out. It's like, I want to take y'all outside. I'm gonna do a little clip video of me outside in the sun with this glow, because I need y'all to see what this look like outside. You know, summer's around the corner. We gotta glow, we gotta slay. Stay with me, slay with me, because you know what, I'm gonna put you on to the best of the best, okay? The glow, the sun. We have met the sun. Look at the glow. Love it. Skin. Simple. Very like lightweight. Oh my gosh. Okay, Rihanna. I give it a 10 out of 10. Thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you, Riri, for another great creation. And yeah, stay with me, slay with me. Bye.
Real Haitian baby, hope you know what all them zoes about.